So what you guys seeing right now is an image of a space in the studio that I want to turn into a office space. I want to renovate it into more of a YouTube space. So the clear white image is because I'm about to copy the photo. So the copied photo I'm going to do is I'm outlining the space that I want to renovate over. So that I have the original image versus the copy that I'm going to fix. What I'm doing now is basically I'm blocking up pieces of the area that I would need to be cleaned out, or I'm planning on cleaning out, or have an idea what exactly I am doing. So I'm continuing blocking where I'm outlining where lines are, where the walls are. So I'm lining up the walls. I'm lining up the background where I'm clearing out the background, and lining up the top of the walls, the roof, all that. So I'm lining them up so I can know where I want to put the colors in this image, in the renovation image. And it's also good to do stuff like this whenever you're doing a renovation, so you have an idea already what you want the colors, the paint, the image to look like, how you want to renovate it, where should chairs be, all of that. It's always good to have a landscape image all ready. So yeah, so I'm color blocking. I keep the walls red that is already red, so I know that okay, I will not change this color. This color is going to remain red. Outlining, I'm more of a beige color, eggshell color, off-white color. That's what I'm doing. And the full white background is to tell you that okay, that side is going to be cleaned out. Because in the background, in the original image, you see that there's garbage in the background. So I'm showing that I'm going to clean out the entire garbage background. So yeah, the eggshell color I'm putting on the two sides of the walls when I have time to buy paint. I don't know if I'll have time to buy paint with Corona and everything going on right now. I might not be able to buy the paint, but I want to have a block idea to know exactly this is the color that I did choose. I don't want a full white, but I want an off-white or a beigeish color. So yeah, me continue blocking all colors, looking at where I want the colors to be. Okay, see me blocking out the roof because I will not do anything to the roof, so that's why I'm blocking out. Whenever I'm not doing anything or I'm clearing out something, the color will remain white. That's what I always do in my drawing. So you see the full image, and any space of original image where you see, I'm just basically going to give it a full image. See, I clear out the image and you can see the entire landscape of my idea. That's how I want to design the space. Okay, so that thing I'm putting up at the top is either a board or it is a curtain rod. So where I know where to hang the curtains. Yeah. So I'm choosing the color again, and I'm using the pink to highlight that it's supposed to be a white curtain, but I didn't want it to be too pink because it will clash. I didn't want it to be white because it will clash with the white background. So that's why I choose the pink, and I choose more a skin tone pink, where it's more like pinkish whitish looking color. Okay, I removed it because the curtain rod was too far up and I wanted it to be more in the background. So that's me putting in the background, and what I'm doing is that I'm making more curtains. I have some blue curtains here in the studio already, so what I'm doing is that I'm going to put those blue curtains on the two sides of the walls. Why I'm doing this because I want to have more layers and dimension to the studio to make it seem like okay, it is more bigger, and it also give a clean backdrop, more aesthetic of my style in the background. Whenever I'm doing my videos, you can see that type of background. So that's the image side by side. That's me continue drawing. I'm continue drawing some more. What I'm drawing now, basically what I'm trying to draw is either how the furniture should be laid out, or what aesthetics should be in this space. So I'm basically doing the interior designing right now. I think, I'm not sure, but I think that's what I'm doing now that I'm drawing. Oh yeah, so you can see me putting the table there. That's what I was working on, cleaning up the image. And I put the chair because I have both a white table and a white chair in studio right now. So that's what I'm working on here in this drawing, outlining where I want the chair to be on the table. So that's the image side by side. Original image versus the one that I'm doing. Original image versus the landscape version, the design version. You see it again side by side. Oh, and I draw a mirror, but I'm taking it out because I didn't like it. It was too big in the space. I removed the mirror. Okay, what I'm doing, I decided to put a drawing on the wall because I can DIY drawings. I love art, and so I'm doing a more of an abstract drawing on the wall, and I'm showing you what I'm basically drawing in this tutorial of me renovating my studio space. And so I'm drawing splash paint on the wall. I might do a splash paint drawing, or I might do some kind of abstract drawing on the wall. And that's what I'm doing right now. So you're gonna see the full landscape image, and that's the full landscape interior designing image. I've been doing is making frames for picture so that I can have equal look. I've been putting pictures in frames that look similar, and yeah, I'm gonna take everything down, wipe them off and everything, take them down there, and then we're gonna start decorating the space. So I'm gonna start decorating the space soon. Alright, so that's what we're gonna go do now.
You could be the muse to my passion. We can make love like an act of God. I just match my words to my actions. Magic in my life's everlasting. I say I could have the world, or be with any girl, but something about your style makes me wanna man up.
Oh yeah, that's what you're wondering why I'm wearing a scarf. I'm here to let you know.
I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign, yeah. Please give me a sign if you wanna come. Please give me a sign, yeah. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign if you why you presenting games I don't wanna play? I've been on my grind, I just wanna lay down with you. Spark a doobie, hit the town with you. Life is complicated, but I found in you something simple, I can wrap my head around it. Be my lady, cause you around it. You see all the women in my DMs, it's astounding. You ain't gotta worry about a thing, you got me grounded. Yeah, I say any truth that I wanna say. Let's appreciate our youth like it's our final days. I'm the rarest in the deck, call me ace of spades. Life is anything we choose, and I would choose you, babe. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign, yeah. Please give me a sign if you wanna come. Give me a sign, yeah. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign if you wanna come. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign if you wanna come through.
Why I renovate this space? I renovate this space because I wanted somewhere to feel free to do my videos without so much noise in the background and also without the noise of the babies. As you can tell, I always have baby noise in the background. I thought this would be a good environment, clean walls, all that, to do a YouTube video whenever I'm talking about fashion, or if I'm talking about, if I'm playing games with my friends, or I'm talking about issues that affect us as females. I can do it in this space and it be more YouTube friendly, more classy, all of that. So this space is to have more of a classic space, more of a business-like environment where you guys can get to know me by my environment. Alright. So I hope you guys enjoy what you're watching and enjoy watching my renovation. Press like, subscribe, and share.